Hey guys, Daniel from Urban Automotive here, out in Winston Churchill, Oakville, Ontario, Canada. Today we are doing headlight restoration. So we have this Subaru that came in, has some foggy headlights here. We got this one, and our left side's a lot worse. Basically what we're going to be doing today is buffing them out with our Rain-X restoration. This kit right here. What we're going to do is we're going to take these little pads, throw them into our drill, sand them out, go down to a finer grit to make it nice and smooth. We're going to add some polish and make sure that it's nice and clean. We'll give you a quick video right afterwards to show you how nice they come out.
This is after the treatment, so we tape off here so we do not get it on the paint or sand the paint. And we start off by taking this pad here and wet sanding the headlights to get off any abrasions and dirt. And then we use this pad here and wet sand again, as it's a finer grit and it gets away any scratches. And then we finish it off by using our plastic polish and this buffer pad, and we buff in the polish so the headlights are more clear. And this is the after result. And headlights get dirty over time from many things, and this is how you can make them more clear so your lights are brighter and you can see better. Urban Automotive, safety first.